Hey everybody from Costa, got another small load. The mountain of steel is not that big, but I always like what the sign says down there. Safety always. Let's go get this done. I brought a safe and we're trying to see what was in it. They're so cool. Maybe. We didn't find anything in the safe. That's how I usually find the safes. There's nothing in it. I always find bullets, but I never find the guns. Well, maybe I find bullets. But this safe was empty. Very cool move by everybody here to help me open it up. Wow. All right, we finished up. Everybody's safe. As you see there, the price did drop from like 180, 170 per gross ton down to 140 as of this date, December 2018. I still had a cool 1,000 pounds. And for just a little bit of work, $62.50. It's like I tell the kids, be safe, get yourself a truck. Too much money you can make when you're starting off, because I'm still doing it. I'm an old guy. So all this stuff, I stack it up to do fun stuff. Anyway, talk to you soon. Be safe. Strap those loads down. Coach Tom, talk to you later.